Well, I just wrapped up some upgrades to the front suspension on our motorhome. This is a 2003 Winnebago Adventure Class A motorhome, and it has a Ford F53 chassis. Now what I did was install a brand new front anti-sway bar. It's blue, it's from SuperSteer, pretty cool. And also installed some AirLift front air bags. And I picked up some new tires and had those installed as well. I mounted this little camera underneath here and left it on while I drove around. I thought it was really cool watching how things flexed and moved as I hit bumps in the road and just rocking back and forth. Even the steering was really cool to watch. I'll share the installation videos for the anti-sway bar and the airbags shortly, but I just wanted to share this with you first. I thought it was really cool, and let me know what you think, just in general about this video, and if there's anything interesting to point out, I'd love to hear it in the comments. But enjoy the video and be sure to look for those installation videos coming up soon.